Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel RPGuru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much.
Show you how to use VSDC to add text that dynamically changes as the video keeps playing. So depending on where you want the first text to be set, I'm moving the cursor there and making sure that I know where it should be. And now I do add object and then text and click on text again. Here now you can type in what you want and adjust it in such a way that it's placed in the right position, and also set where you need to end it. So once I've done that, and the next part of the video I'm going to fast forward, trying to add more texts for the remaining part of the video. It's the same process. It's a little tedious. It takes about 10 minutes for me to this 1 minute video. It took me 10 minutes to add this text material for the different areas of the video. So as the video keeps playing, so one good thing about once you add the first text, you can just do a Control-C on the text and Control-V. It keeps adding, and then you can modify the text of the new one you created. So that way it's easier rather than going back to add object every time. So now if you see, I've been adding the text depending on where the that text has to stop showing. So this is a good way of using VSDC to show a video where you dynamically change the text as it keeps playing. And this video is a YouTube short, so I don't have any audio in it. I don't talk through it, so that's why I need something like a caption to show what's really happening in the video. So this is the best way to do it. And once you're happy with the text and placement of text and the way it plays after you add them, you can export it and create the video and upload it to YouTube whenever you want. So hope this concept helps you, and look for more good videos like these, and I'll talk to you soon. Please subscribe to my channel and talk to you soon. Bye.